Hey guys, we're live on KuCoin trading bot. Guys, I'm going to show you guys how to make passive income using the KuCoin DCA trading bot. Now on KuCoin trading bot, you want to know we're currently logged in though. As a new user, you need to log in. There will be a link in the description of our video below. Just click on it. It's going to take you directly to KuCoin, where you need to register an account and complete the process. Our referral code will be in the referral box, so you get link to you get benefits when you use our affiliate link. It's going to give you sign up bonuses, and you also get lots of perks. Now for once you're done with that, make sure you log into your account. Then you fund your account using any of the method, P2P, fast trade, or third party deposit via bank currency or more. Now on here you can see we currently have some assets which we're currently holding in the form of stable coins, as well as other volatile assets that we have in our KuCoin account. Now what you need to do is that to get started, you need to you could transfer your funds from your main account to your trading account in order for you to get started. Now for desktop users, all you need to do is to click on the trade menu. On the trade menu, you get access to the trading bot, where you can earn passive income or passive profits without monitoring the market. Now this is one strategy you want to use during the bear market, as most of the millionaires we have in the crypto space made the right decision of buying the bottom, and they made lots of profits when these prices skyrocketed. Now one of these tokens that I currently like a lot is the KuCoin native token, which is currently at, I think it's about $10 now. You can see the price movement for this token. This is native token for KuCoin. So you can see how the price has been, went from $0.06 to up until now. So from launch up until now, the project has been doing well, and KuCoin is currently ranked at number 5 in the top exchanges in the world. So you want to be aware of that. Now by being ranked in top number 5, you want to know that there are about 312 exchanges available in the world, and KuCoin being ranked at number 5 shows the potential as it currently has. And the in the future, we currently hope to see KuCoin being around number 1 or number 2 spots. So that's something we want to keep an eye on. Now this is the KuCoin official handle, where you can also follow up for lots of information. Now getting started on the trading bots, there are lots of trading bots. We have the sports grid trading bot for users who want to trade on spot market and do it automatically. So this bot tries to make you profit. That's the sole aim of this bot, tries to make you profit. So whether you're trading futures, or you're doing a smart rebalance, or whether you're doing a DCA infinity grid, it tries to save you money so you can easily go ahead with this. Now for users who want to trade spot market and they don't want to do, it carries out arbitrage for you on a regular interval. Now for the smart rebalance, it tries to resize your portfolio to spread the risk in the long term, and just resize it enough so that the amounts are in shape the way you want it. Now I also have the infinity grid, which is the bullish volatility killer. Now we'll be focusing on the DCA because it's currently the one we're currently using. Highest APR currently about 844%. Both being created so far is about 374,775. Now all you need to do is to click on create bot. Once you click on create bot, you'll choose the asset you want to use, and make sure you have funds in your account. Now let's say we want to go with KCS, since we're currently using KCS, although we've started one already, but maybe we're going to check and look for another price. So you could decide to kickstart your investment now, or you could decide to do it whichever time. So I think we initiated about $1 as well as $4 initially for KCS. So I'm just going to put about $3 here. Let's see how it goes. So you can see here we currently have about $15 in our trading account that is available for us to use. Now it's going to start or kickstart now. The maximum investment, you can also decide to put a maximum investment amount if you want to. All you need to do, just click on create, and you can see it tells you to confirm symbol, 3 USDT daily, date of first investment now, profit target 10%. Now the profit target, which is for advanced settings, it allows you to easily get notified whenever you've gotten your profit target. So if with this your DCA, you have a target that you want to make about 100% or 100x from investing or using DCA on KCS or whichever token or crypto asset. KuCoin will notify you once your target has gotten to that percentage, so you want to be aware of that. Now there are two things that can happen. It's either when it gets there the DCA continues, or when it gets there your assets or the DCA will be converted, sold and converted directly back to a stable asset, back to a stable coin that you've selected, maybe USDT. So depend on you, whichever one is convenient, but I would prefer to just continue once the target is reached, notify and continue to DCA. That's the one we want to do. So you get notified. Maybe when you do want to convert, you might convert maybe 25% or more, depending on your discretion. So I'm just going to click on 50% or 20%. I think we've done for 10% initially, so I'm going to click for 25% here, or maybe 30%, whichever one. I think I'm going to just let me just use this. So 25% it is. Click on confirm. It's supposed to tell you now that your order is now successful, 3 USDT for daily basis. So you can even use as much as 1 USDT. So you can see now these are the orders we've created so far. So it said insufficient remaining investment quota, adjust the limit to continue to DCA. Now you can see here we currently, the one we just created, 3 USDT, we're currently in loss of about 0.005. You can see it's going to do this on a daily basis. Then insufficient remaining, I think I need to check this out. So you want to make sure there's always funds in your account so that they can easily debit your account and see. I think more so in the future we should be seeing a means whereby your assets in your main account or maybe assets in other aspects of your account can be easily transferred, just like an auto margin deposit, just like we have in futures. We can automatically deposit a margin to compensate for or to fill your orders. Now this is something you need to know. So maybe funds in your funding wallet. So you can see these are some of the profits we've gotten or accumulated so far. Now these are the prices we bought them at, and also these are their current prices. So you want to be aware of this, and you can also decide to turn off or switch off any of them that you feel you should switch off. You can also decide to do with them whatever you want to do. This is the order history, and you get to see how if you're bullish or not, or if you're currently doing well with the investment. So I'm going to just close. So this is how you can make profit using, or how you can use the DCA trading bot in making profit. Now the benefit is that it gives you the opportunity to hedge against the market volatility. You get the opportunity to buy at a regular interval. Now DCA is a dollar cost average method that gives you the opportunity to buy crypto assets at regular intervals. Now for taking KCS as an example, maybe you have $1,000. You don't want to put your $1,000 immediately into KCS token. You want to buy maybe $5 here, or you want to buy $5 here again, another $5, $10, $5 at regular interval, maybe on a weekly, daily, hourly basis, whichever one is convenient for you. Now this gives you the opportunity in the long term. You get to see that the KCS you bought will now have an average price which would not be as expensive as it should be if you had bought at, let's say you bought at the top when it was $22 and you bought and it's currently about $10. Now if you're to buy when it was $5 you bought, when it was $6 you bought, when it was $7, when it was $22 you bought, and now when it's about $10 you also bought. These are some of the key benefits you want to look into. So guys, if you do have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'm going to go over now and show users who are interested in seeing how to access this with the access this option using their mobile devices. So you can also see it for mobile users. Now for mobile users, all you need to do is to go over to your mobile app. I'm going to show you now, show you that right now. So once you log into your mobile app, you can see the prices, everything will be spelled out to you on the menu. So all you need to do for you as to kickstart your trading bot, click on the trading bot icon. I'm going to go back and highlight it for you to see. It's currently here. Click on this icon here, trading bot. I'm going to click on it. It's going to take you directly to the trading bot menu, where you can choose between the list of trading bots that are available. Now this is the one that we're currently using for the one we just initiated, $3 investment. You can see the one for $4 for the one of $1 USDT on a daily basis. So if you're doing $1 USDT on a daily basis, that's about 30 USDT in a month. Now for the one of $4 should be about $150, while the one of $3 should be about $90. So in total you're spending about $250 to about $300 for this investment. So these are some of the benefits. So within 2 months or within 3 months, you can be able to spread your $1,000 and make profits, guys. So I'm just going to click and cancel here. I'm going to click cancel. I'm going to take you directly to see how far this stuff is going to go. So yeah, you can also get access to see your leaderboard. You can see what users are currently investing in and what is currently giving them profits. Now you can see your profit margin. We're currently down about $3, but we're going to still be up because we're currently in the bear market. The prices are usually fluctuating. And even we had bought a whole bulk of it, let's say we put in $1,000 immediately, we should be down by about $300 or more. So those are some of key benefits or key opportunity that it gives you to help safeguard or minimize the risk or exposure when it comes to investment. So this is it, guys. All you need to do is to click on the DCA, which is available here. The DCA, click on the DCA bot, and it's going to take you directly here, where you can easily choose whichever asset you want to use, and you can also see what other users are currently doing. Now you can see the one we are currently doing here. We can choose to create and more. So this is how easy it is for you to benefit. You can just click on create and choose the asset you want to create. So let's say you want to add $2 investment. So I'm going to click on $2. Let's say you want to do $2 investment. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on create for $2 investment. Maximum, there's no maximum. I'm just going to leave it let's say weekly, on a weekly basis, or let's say 2 weeks. So I'm going to click on create. So it's going to start now. So we just invested an additional $2 into it. So you can see these are some of the benefits you'll be getting by participating here, guys. So thanks for watching. Peace out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in a future upload, and you can also close these bots whenever you feel like. So peace out, guys. Stay safe and one love, guys.